I'm JuliGTech and I am the JuliGTech avatar. I'm happy to have you here. I was created using CapCut and as you can see, I speak just like a real human. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create an avatar just like me. But I don't want to lose you after this video, so please subscribe to my channel. I have more smart tutorials coming your way very soon. Alright, let's dive into today's lesson. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own avatar for free, and then you can use this avatar for your faceless video. Alright, so now let's go. So here we want to use CapCut for this. We are already here on CapCut and this is the CapCut background. You see here create projects and then you have other features here. This is the feature that we're going to use. Come to marketing tools. After image editing, create with AI marketing tools. So we click on marketing tools and it has been loaded already. Now we have different features here. So you click on avatar video and it's going to load. So while it is loading, let me tell you something. This channel is dedicated to teaching you video editing, content creation, AI, thumbnail design, everything that you just need to know in your video editing progress. So what do you have to do? To show your appreciation, please hit the subscribe button because I'm going to upload a lot of videos. All right, now, too much of talking? No. Let's go back to business. So we want to click on avatar video, and then when you click on avatar video, you just give it some time and it will load. All right, so it has been loaded. So as you can see, these are different avatars. We don't want to use any of this avatar, so we want to create our own avatar. So we come here, my avatar, click on my avatar. As you see here, it's saying create now, or then this one is AI talking video. So these ones we have already created them, and I'm using one picture for it. So I want to show you how exactly I did this. So stay tuned, watch to the end of this video so that you will not miss any step. So let's click here on create avatar. So it is loading and in a few seconds it's going to be loaded. All right, it has been loaded. So what we want to do right now is we first of all create a custom voice for it. So you want to use your voice, you want this avatar to use your voice in the video. So you click here plus sign. So you have to create the voice first, then you can create the avatar. Now it's asking us to read this so that it can take our voice, and here is what we are going to read. Here is a single rose in a full bloom. Its petals unfold to reveal the beauty within, standing as a symbol of love and passion in the quiet garden. So now here is the facts. It says we recommend you record in a quiet place. The custom voice is shaped by the tone and emotion of your voice. So you have to keep that in mind. We have to click record and then record this. Here is a single rose in full bloom. Its petals unfold to reveal the beauty within, standing as a symbol of love and passion in the quiet garden. All right, so let us click on create. So it is counting. All right, so if you want to preview the voice, let's hear it. You are listening to your custom voice. Hope you like it. Did you like that? All right, that is our custom voice. So we can put the name here. We say Julie J Tech Voice. Julie J Tech Voice. All right, so we save. So this is the avatar that we have already created. Welcome. I want to show you how I made this. So you come here to create avatar, and then you click on upload, the plus sign, and then you go to where you have the picture, then you select the picture, and it has already cropped out our face. So you click on done. So you have to check this box to show your consent to the use of your uploaded content. So you check this and then you go to next. So you have to edit the avatar name. Let's say Julie Avatar 3. So we now want to change the voice. Okay, so we want to take this Julie Tech voice and confirm. All right, so we click on submit. So after uploading, It's going to tell you the amount of minutes that you are going to leave so that it will be successful. But it's not take up to this amount of minutes actually. It's just showing you. So you can just go and do other things while you come back to read later. Alright, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to use this avatar to create your video in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my next video. And I want to show you how to do video editing smartly. So hit that subscribe button. If you are interested in attending video editing class every Saturday by 6 p.m., you will see the link to WhatsApp group in the description of this video. So just join that group and then you will be attending video editing class for free every Saturday. I wish you the best in your content creation job. Thanks for watching.